Americans are interpreting the support of delegates and the support of delegates, the support of donors, the support of whatever, the influx of donations. They're interpreting that to be support and unity behind a candidate.
Right.
It is not.
No, it's not.
It is a practiced behavior expected of you to survive inside the Democratic National Convention's system. If you violate their system, you will be taken out of that system and you will not have a chance in the future.
And interestingly, the Democratic system of nominating a candidate is far less democratic with a small d than the Republicans.
Yeah.
Far, far less.
You don't have a choice. Like unless you are registered and identified and groomed and invested and show loyalty and have a history of whatever, like you don't even get the opportunity.
Sounds like a cult.
Yeah. Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yahtzee. John, you made a point earlier that Trump seemed to be pro-CIA, working with the CIA when he was president last time.
Yeah.
Do you think that he is going to be sort of pro-establishment? Do you think he's still on that trajectory ever since the assassination attempt?
I think probably less so. There have been rumors lately that if he wins, he's considering naming Rick Grinnell as the CIA director.
Who's that?
Rick Grinnell is an odd character. He's a fundraiser. He's openly gay. He was nominated, not even nominated. He was ambassador to Germany. The Germans hated him, threatened to expel him. There he is. And now there's talk that if Trump wins, he'll end up as either National Security Advisor, Director of National Intelligence, or CIA Director. Yeah, I've met Grinnell a couple times. He's teaching a class over at George Washington University right now. You know, he's not a guy that I'd necessarily like to hang out with, but I could think of a lot worse people, you know, to be considered for a position like that.